When planning a thermal paper production line, many buyers ask the same question: do I need only a slitting machine, or a complete slitting and packaging line? The answer depends less on machine speed, and more on how your production actually runs every day. If your operation focuses on small batches, frequent size changes, and flexible order handling, a standalone slitter rewinder is often the right starting point. It offers faster setup changes, lower initial investment, and more control at the operator level. However, as production volume increases, manual handling after slitting becomes a hidden bottleneck. Roll transfer, stacking, and packaging start to consume time, introduce inconsistency, and increase the risk of damage or variation. This is where an integrated slitting and packaging line makes a real difference. By connecting slitting, conveying, and automatic packaging into one workflow, you reduce manual intervention, stabilize daily output, and make production less dependent on operator experience. The key point is this: automation is not about replacing people, it is about removing variability from the process. So the real question is not which machine looks more advanced, but which production structure fits your current scale, and where you want your operation to be in the next 2 to 3 years. In thermal paper converting, the right solution is not a fixed configuration, but a system designed around your real production needs.